Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys my January hits and misses, bops and flops, whatever you want to call them. I'm just going to be sharing with you guys all of the products that worked for me and the ones that didn't work for me. But before all of that happens, please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. You know where it is. Just go ahead and click it wherever it is for you. And then once you're done doing all of that, go ahead and follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Gilly. Now let's jump into today's video. Alright, so because I like to end things on a positive note, we're going to start off with the products that were total misses for me this year. They totally flunked. They did not pass the exam. They flunked. Not this year. I'm sorry. I meant January. First product is disappointingly going to be this e.l.f. Enhancing Lash and Brow Serum. Now, I've only been trying out this serum for like 2 weeks. However, I already know it's just total flop because every single time like I put this on, like the next day whenever I like touch my eyelashes, I just have like eyelashes falling off, and I'm like, I don't think that's what you're supposed to do. It was just like more than your average 1 or 2 lash that falls out in a day. It was like multiple, and I was just kind of not here for it because you're doing the opposite of what I need you to do. I don't know if this product was making room for new lashes. I don't know, but I shan't be putting these on my lashes ever again. The next product that I have is a product that was sent to me by Influencer. Actually, both of these products were sent to me by Influencer and Carol's daughter to try out for them. Unfortunately, this shampoo did not work out for me at all. So this is the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Love at First Wash Water to Foam Shampoo with Rose Water. There was nothing love at first sight about this. I did not delight in washing my hair with this in any way, shape, or form. I have never experienced such dryness and brittleness after washing my hair with a shampoo. The shampoo was just god awful to me. It really dried my hair out in just unbelievable ways. It was in the shower, my hair just like got tough and I could not even like run my fingers through it. It was just, my hair was matted. I had to do so many things to get my hair out of that state, and I still gave it another chance. I actually used this shampoo another 2 times, just thinking the first time was, oh, it was a fluke, it was me. No, it wasn't me. The shampoo sucks, and I'm really sorry to say that. I never really have a lot of bad things to say on this channel, but this was not it. This is going in the garbage. I can't even gift this to someone because this is going in the garbage. And then the next product they sent me was the Wash Day Delight Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner. Again, so the conditioner was not as bad as the shampoo. However, it did leave my hair feeling like there was some kind of residue on it. And I know that this says it's no parabens, no petroleum, no mineral oil, no artificial colors, but I think the glycerin in here is just way too much, because glycerin is the first product listed in their ingredient list, and as well as it has some amodimethicone. Wow, I clearly am dyslexic. And they also have another form of dimethicone in here, which I think are silicones, and it was just really heavy on my hair, and I think it did condition it a little bit, especially after the disaster of the shampoo. However, I just don't want anything to do with these products. If these worked out for you, that's fantastic, but for me, baby, these are never touching my hair ever again. So then just moving on to some positive products, things that did work out for me this month of January. First and foremost, I'm just gonna go in with a hair care product that did work out for me. So I have really been enjoying this Shea Moisture Magongo hemp seed oils high porosity moisture correct styling gel, whatever this is. I've really been enjoying it. Fun fact, I've actually owned this product for probably like over a year and I never really used it, but right now on like my short bleached hair, this is like kind of my final step, and it has really been helping with like the definition in my hair and just like keeping everything all cute, tight curls all day long. So I've really been enjoying this product a lot, especially like for definition. I have 4C hair. Definition is incredibly hard for me, and this product just, I think, puts the last umph on the definition for me. So some other fun products that I have here. I have really been obsessed with this Dermalogica cleansing gel. I use this especially to like remove my makeup at the end of the day when I'm in the shower, and this is so good. It thoroughly cleans your skin out. If you have huge pores like me and you're obviously trying to get all that makeup and residue off from the day, this right here is so amazing. I do use it with my Clairsonic brush, and like together they are unbeatable. I'm actually almost out of this product, so I'm obviously gonna have to buy a new one, but this special cleansing gel is it. Okay. Another skincare product that is a new one, but I've actually really been enjoying, is this Belif Truth Cream or True Cream Aqua Bomb. I've literally only been trying this out like the past like week or so of January, and I actually already just put it in like a favorites because it's so good. It's so hydrating. Like a little bit goes a long way without leaving you feeling greasy or like, you know, heavy. I absolutely love this. It's like I live in a dry winter place, and this has been doing wonders for me during the day, balancing out the oils in my face. Love this moisturizer. And then lastly, another product for dryness. It's going to be this Clinique Moisture Surge Lip treatment. I put this on every single night before bed, and I absolutely love it. I have gone through so many of these throughout the years. Every now and then I like come back and I'm like, wow, I really love this product. So that's kind of why it's in today's favorites video. And for comparison, I do think this is better than that Tatcha lip thing they came out with, because someone got me that for my birthday. And I've like only used it so many times. Like I literally put it by my bed and I still don't use it. Like it's not that great. So this one is way better. And then another product I have here is actually the One Size Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. I actually kind of forgot that I had this product until like the month of January, because I've been doing this thing where I get up every day and like get dressed, get ready, get cute, put a little bit of makeup on, and I don't know why, but I find it so easy at the end of the day to just grab this spray bottle, spray my face, like wipe it with my hands to, you know, kind of start lifting up the makeup, get in the shower, and then use my cleansing gel to like finish the process. Like that has just been so easy for me. I like don't have to deal with sticking my hands in some kind of cleansing balm. Like don't get me wrong, I still love my cleansing balms, but this has just been kind of super easy for me, super like quick, and I've really been enjoying this. This does do a really great job of removing your makeup, so if you like don't have it, you thought about it, just go ahead and get it. It's really good, and there's a mini size, so you can try it out. So just moving on to some makeup things lastly. The first thing I'm gonna go ahead and put in my favorites video is this e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I am wearing it on my face today, so it's very nice. I really like it. I just tried this out in the month of January. I have a review video up if you haven't seen that already. But I just have been really enjoying this because it's super lightweight. It gives me just enough coverage that I need to kind of make me feel good about like the day. And yet like it doesn't get oily. And I kind of really like this. This is a CC cream that finally comes in more than like 3 shades. Because I know CC creams are like meant to be light coverage. Like one shade should really go for about like 3-4 ranges. But come on, 4 shades, that doesn't do it. But this one definitely comes in a really good range of shades that I think most people who are interested in a CC cream don't take this, you know, verbatim, but they might be able to find a shade in this. I just think that this has been a really good product overall, and it's incredibly affordable. I think this is $15. So I don't know, I'm just really here for this foundation, and I've been wearing it almost every single day since I tried it. So there you go. Just another beauty product is this Fenty primer. This is the Fenty True Matte Pro Filter Primer. I'm obsessed with this primer. I literally still cannot finish this bottle because there's so much in it. It's huge, but it's been worth every single penny. I already bought a backup bottle. I just love this primer. It has replaced all of my primers for months and months now. It's just so good. It's super, super good quality. And if you're an oily girl, you need this. This is a staple primer. Just another little e.l.f., you know, product is going to be this Lash It Loud volumizing mascara. I am wearing it today. Don't know if you guys can really see my lashes, but I absolutely love this mascara. It's so cute. I did buy the travel size for $4, but I'm so gonna buy the full size one because it has really done wonders for my lashes. It definitely volumizes them. It doesn't make them clumpy or anything. Super, super good. Just a couple more products here, guys. I am really currently obsessed with the NARS Orgasm Blush. Hard to believe that this blush has been out for like how many years, and I recently just got it. I love this blush. It's such a beautiful color. The coral, the little bit of shimmer that you get in it. This is to me like the creme de la creme of blushes. I've never felt this way about a blush before, so that's why it's here. Next, we have our Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I have really been loving this. This is another one of my staples. Pairing it with my e.l.f. Camo CC Cream has really been giving me the kind of coverage and beat that I need every day for my face. Like I'm telling y'all, just look at my face now. I've probably used about 5 or 6 products on my face today to achieve this glamorous look here. We'll be doing a video on that for y'all, but absolutely love this. For your reference, I do wear the shade 410 in the foundation, and from what I've heard, people say that the foundation does not actually really match like your liquid foundation color. I bought 410 because I knew that the shade 400 in the liquid never really matched me the way I wanted it to. So that's why I got 410, and 410 is a perfect match. I don't know if 410 in the liquid matches me because I've never tried it. And then I've got this Sephora Translucent Setting Powder. This is also, again, like a recent try, but I have been blown away by this powder. It's so fine. It's so finely milled. It's literally amazing. It melts into your skin like butter. It does not leave a white cast, and they only sent 1 shade in this, and they only sent 1 shade for a reason, because I definitely feel like this would match like just about anyone's skin tone. But again, don't quote me on that because I obviously haven't tried it on a lot of skin tones, but for me it has been magical and I'm obsessed with it. And then the last products that we have here are going to be the Fenty Gloss Bomb Creams. So I have all 5 shades, but these 2 have been my favorite that I have used the most. And it's been the shade Honey Waffles and Fenty Glow. I am wearing Fenty Glow now. This one tends to be the more natural color of the 2, whereas the Honey Waffles is more of a like peachy nude, and I really love this one with like a nice brown lip liner to give you those glossy nude lips that you're looking for. Obsessed with these Gloss Bomb creams. Should have had these years ago when we weren't wearing masks, but I digress. I'm just glad they finally came. So yeah, guys, those are all of my January hits and misses, bops and flops. We got the flunkers, we got the ones who passed the class, they got an A+, and I'm really happy to have reported back to y'all on these products. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, and then go ahead and click that subscribe button. You know you want to, and go ahead and follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _itsGillyy. Those are usually the places where I you know, show you guys a lot of the new products that I get, so you kind of have a sneak peek of what I'm going to talk about in my monthly favorites videos and whatnot. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a nice Black History Month, y'all. You know, it's February. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.